Untitled. No, none, any, nothing, nobody. A. No and none. We use no plus none. No, not or not any. We had to walk home because there was no bus. There wasn't a bus. Sue will have no trouble finding a job. Sue won't have any trouble. There was no shops open. There weren't any shops open. You can use no plus noun at the beginning of a sentence. No reason was given for the change of plan. We use none without a noun. How much money do you have? None. No money. All the tickets have been sold. There are none left. No tickets left. Or we use none of. This money is all yours. None of it is mine. Compare none and any. How much luggage do you have? None. I don't have any. After none of plus plural, none of the students, none of them. The verb can be singular or plural. A plural verb is more usual. None of the shops were or was open. B. Nothing, nobody, no one, nowhere. You can use these words at the beginning of a sentence or alone as answers to questions. What is going to happen? Nobody, no one knows. What happened? Nothing. Where are you going? Nowhere. I'm staying here. You can also use the words after the verb, especially after be and have. The house is empty. There's nobody living there. We had nothing to eat. Nothing, nobody, not plus anything, anybody. I said nothing. I didn't say anything. Jane told nobody about her plans. Jane didn't tell anybody about her plans. They have nowhere to live. They don't have anywhere to live. With nothing, nobody, do not use a negative verb, isn't, didn't. I said nothing, not I didn't say anything, nothing. C. After nobody, no one, you can use they, them, their. C also unit 85E. Nobody is perfect. Are they? Is he or she perfect? No one did what I asked them to do, him or her. Nobody in the class did their homework, his or her homework. D. Sometimes anything, anybody means it doesn't matter which, what, who. See Unit 85D. Compare no and any. There was no bus, so we walked home. You can take any bus. They all go to the center. It doesn't matter which. What do you want to eat? Nothing. I'm not hungry. I'm so hungry I could eat anything. It doesn't matter what. The exam was extremely difficult. Nobody passed. Everybody failed. The exam was very easy. Anybody could have passed. It doesn't matter who. Unit 86. Exercises 86.1. Complete these sentences with no, none, or any. 1. It was a public holiday, so there were no shops open. I haven't got any money. Can you lend me some? We had to walk home because there were taxis. We had to walk home because there weren't taxis. How many eggs have we got? Do you want me to get some? We took a few pictures, but of them were very good. Did you take lots of pictures? No, I didn't take. What a stupid thing to do. Intelligent person would do such a thing. There's nowhere to cross the river. There's a bridge. I haven't read of the books you lent me. We cancelled the party because of the people we invited were able to come. Do you know when Chris will be back? I'm sorry, I have idea. 86.2. Answer these questions using none, nobody, nothing, nowhere. What did you do? Nothing. Who were you talking to? How much sugar do you want? Where are you going? How many emails did you get? How much did you pay? Now answer the same questions using complete sentences with any, anybody, anything, anywhere. I didn't do anything. 86.3. Complete these sentences with no or anybody, thing, where. I don't want anything to drink. I am not thirsty. The bus was completely empty. There was on it. Where did you go for your holidays? I stayed at home. I went to the shops, but I didn't buy. What did you buy? I couldn't find. I wanted. The town is still the same as it was years ago. Have you seen my watch? I can't find it. There was complete silence in the room. Said. It is 6.4. Choose the right word. She didn't tell nobody, anybody about her plans. Anybody is correct. The accident looked bad, but fortunately nobody, anybody was badly injured. I looked out of the window, but I couldn't see no one, anyone. My job is very easy. Nobody, anybody could do it. What is in that box? Nothing, anything. It is empty. The situation is uncertain. Nothing, anything could happen. I don't know nothing, anything about economics. I'll try and answer no any question you ask me. Who were you talking to just now? No one, anyone. I wasn't talking to no one, anyone.